This is a slideshow of my Imperial portable typewriter. So that's the locking mechanism on it. It opens out and the typewriter's on the inside. That's the company's logo. That's the maker's stamp. And then there's the English coat of arms. That's the serial number. There's the Imperial again at the back of it. There's all the arms. And the ink ribbon with an arm hitting it. That's close up. And that's it with a piece of paper in it. I'm going to be typing "The quick fox jumped over the two lazy dogs." There's a sentence that uses every letter of the alphabet. It was a genuine test for faults in the machine. That's the slide in the back. Thank you for watching. Remember, comment, rate and subscribe.